Hey guys, this is about AI YouTube automation, and we will show you a brand new AI and how to use it. Today, many are greedy to earn money online with YouTube monetization. People see that you can earn big money on YouTube with faceless YouTube channels. There are numerous cheap services available to outsource the creation of faceless YouTube videos. But AI video generation is another option, and there are many known softwares. The biggest part of running a faceless YouTube channel for YouTube automation is production. How can we use AI for this? Ideation of topics and storylines, ChatGPT, and all the other AI chatbots. Voiceovers. There is an AI for that.com is currently listing 59 services for text-to-speech. But what about choosing and cutting content? This is the biggest part. There is something new in the sky of AI YouTube automation for this. InVideo has brought up a new AI, InVideo AI. Many have seen this promo clip but never saw the AI. The approach is not only text-to-video generation of videos, but also editing in a prompt style, as you already know from ChatGPT. So what you saw was idea to video, and what you now see is text to edit. You provide a short text prompt, and the InVideo AI modifies the video accordingly within no time. We believe that InVideo AI is the most advanced approach to automating YouTube videos, and it can generate videos up to 15 minutes long. Before we showcase this AI video generator, we give a quick overview. From one prompt, you get the entire story, video scenes, voiceovers, captions, and even suitable music. Just go to invideo.io/AI. There you can sign up for a free account. At the top, you see the prompt box. This is where you give commands to the InVideo AI. We will now make a quick showcase by first generating a video and then editing only with prompts. The results will astonish you. Now the prompt: create a 1-minute horror story of people getting lost in the woods for YouTube. After that, we get some options to choose from. We can define the audience and the look and feel by ticking one of the boxes.
Snap. A twig breaks underfoot, echoing through the silent woods. Imagine 4 friends, all avid sports enthusiasts, venturing into the wild unknown, their hearts filled with adventure and thrill. As dusk falls, the once familiar trail twists into an ominous labyrinth. The once playful whispers of the leaves morph into hushed threats, and the vibrant forest transforms into a shadowy maze. Strangely, their compass whirls wildly, refusing to point north. Their map, once a guide, now a mere piece of parchment. Even the stars above play hide and seek, their glow shrouded by ominous clouds. One by one, their voices fade into the night, swallowed by the eerie silence. The woods, once a playground, now a monstrous entity, feeding on their fear. Their laughter has long since been replaced by whispers of dread. And as the final second ticks past, remember, not all who wander are lost, but in this case, they might just wish they were. For in the heart of the woods, the echo of their own heartbeats is their only company. The woods are silent, but are they truly alone? Remember, when the thrill of adventure lures you into the woods, tread lightly, for the forest holds secrets deeper than the roots of the oldest tree. Until next time, stay safe and keep your wits about you.
Now, this was a good start, but we see potential for improvement. Now we tell the InVideo AI to shorten this scene with one of the predefined prompts. This scene also needs editing because it doesn't fit into the night scenario. We do with a simple prompt that we type into the prompt box. Now let's see the new result.
Snap. A twig breaks underfoot, echoing through the silent woods. 4 friends, sports enthusiasts, venture into the wilderness, hearts brimming with excitement. Dusk transforms the trail into a menacing maze. The once familiar whispers of the forest turn into silent threats, and their compass whirls, refusing to point north. Their map is now useless, and the stars above are hidden by menacing clouds. Their voices vanish into the night, consumed by the eerie silence. The forest, once a playground, now feeds on their fear, their merriment replaced by whispers of terror. And as the final second ticks past, not all who wander are lost. Sometimes they just wish they were. For in the forest, their own heartbeats are their only companions. The woods are silent, but are they truly alone? Stay safe and keep your wits about you.
Now, before we jump to the conclusion, here you can find our full tutorial for InVideo AI. What we really like is the handling. Also, the editing is pretty easy. You can do it via prompts or can also do manual changes. But you need to pick the topics for your videos carefully. It's ideal for story videos or short videos about lifestyle hints. Find out more about its usage for TikTok in our full tutorial video.